Hello there, my name is Erika Rolón and my partner is Natalie Jimenez. And today we'll be informing you on ocean energy resource and how this process can help our environment. We decided to choose this topic because it ties with both of our majors and we also share the same interest, which is finding and taking part in ways to help our environment, especially our island. In continuation, you will learn a little bit about the different types of renewable energy and how this process could potentially help the world become a better and healthier place. Before we begin with our topic, we will begin with a short biography of both of us. I am currently in my second year of college, majoring in electrical engineering, and I also represent Colegio's softball team. I have many interests. However, one of my main interests happens to be renewable energy. My partner is also in her second year of college, majoring in biology, and a student athlete as well. She is currently on Colegio's track and field team. Her main interest is marine biology, which also ties in with our topic. This presentation is not only our topic of interest, but it is also to inform you guys and bring awareness about oceanic renewable energy and how it can help the environment in which we live in. We also included information and statistics on how this can affect Puerto Rico in a positive way. At the end of the presentation, we will also provide our proposition to help collect money and bring awareness about our current environmental problems and why we should use one of our most abundant natural resources to our advantage. Before we begin talking about oceanic renewable energy, I will first briefly explain what renewable energy is. So, what is renewable energy and where can it be found? Renewable energy is energy that is generated from natural processes that are continuously replenished. This includes sunlight, geothermal heat, wind, tides, water, and various forms of biomass. This energy cannot be exhausted and is constantly renewed. Where can renewable energy be found? Well, renewable energy is literally all around us. The only problem that is not actually a problem, it is normal like a challenge, is figuring how to harness this energy and convert it into something that us humans can use for our daily life. Here are some important facts about renewable energy. They exist in they exist continuously and abundant. It is ready to be harnessed as well as inexhaustible, and most importantly, it is a clean alternative to fossil fuels. These are the four major renewable energy, which are wind energy, solar energy, biomass energy, tidal wave energy. These are a few images that demonstrate the different types of renewable energy. As you can see, all of these factors are found throughout our environment. However, oftentimes we take these natural resources for granted. Here we have a chart of Puerto Rico renewable energy status and potential. For wind, the potential is 840 megawatts and the installed capacity is 120. For hydropower, the potential is 102.7 megawatts and installed capacity 100. For geothermal, the potential is unknown, likely very low, and the installed capacity is 0. For ocean, the potential is 4,800 megawatts and the installed capacity 0. For biomass, the potential is 290 megawatts to 6,800 megawatts and the installed capacity is 0. For solar, the potential is 1,100 megawatts and the installed capacity is 22.1. After introducing the different types of renewable energy and what renewable energy is, now we're going to begin discussing the topic which we will put more emphasis on. That is oceanic renewable energy. Oceanic renewable energy refers to the energy carried by ocean waves, tides, salinity, and ocean temperature differences. The movement of water in the world's oceans creates a vast store of kinetic energy, or energy in motion. This energy can be harnessed to generate electricity to power homes, transport, and industries. Basically, what it does, it harnesses the power of the oceans to produce electricity. Types of oceanic energy. We have tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy conversion, and marine current energy. Now that you have learned what oceanic energy is, you might be wondering why oceanic energy? What benefits come out of using this type of energy compared to the rest? Well, there are many reasons why oceanic energy is beneficial to us and our environment. Here are some of the main reasons why. First off, the Earth is made up of 70% of water, so why not use our most abundant natural resource? Also, the ocean stores enough energy in form of heat, currents, waves, and tides to provide electricity worldwide. Now we will show you a video of ocean renewable energy and how it works so that you can have better image of what we have been talking about in the past few slides.
After watching the video, here's an extended view of what the ocean renewable energy system would look like. Advantages and disadvantages of ocean energy and some advantages of using ocean energy in our island include requires new power plants which would open new employment opportunities, thus impacting our economic situation positively. This type of energy also reduces the greenhouse effects, which not only would benefit us, but the entire world. If this is accomplished, the cost of imported petroleum and other fossil fuels would decline, and so would the cost of electricity imported. Here are the percentages of the resources used to generate electricity in Puerto Rico in 2014. Although oceanic energy sounds like a wonderful idea and a huge step to reducing our environmental problems, there are some disadvantages that involve this type of process. These include the availability of title and power and location of these machinery. As you know, Puerto Rico is not the biggest country in the world. This makes it difficult to place these huge machinery without distributing marine animals ecosystems. In terms of tidal power, since the tides are linked to the lunar cycle, the tides vary in range. Thus, it can only supply power for about 10 hours a day because of the pattern of the tides. Another main disadvantage is the cost of this process. As I researched what probable cost would be to be able to achieve ocean energy, it came up to about $27 million, which is the kind of money that we currently do not have. Looking into oceanic energy are a few organizations who are investigating and collecting money in order to go through with this process. Here are just some organizations in the United States that are involved in the investigation. Aquamarine Power, Bureau of Oceanic Energy Management, and Carnage Wave Energy. In PR, we also have two organizations that we found who are also trying to bring awareness to our island. These include Surf Rider Foundation and also UPRM, who is doing research on the possible outcomes, benefits, and disadvantages that can come from oceanic energy production. Energy efficient and renewable energy projects in Puerto Rico. Besides the organizations previously mentioned, there are few projects being developed in Puerto Rico to increase energy sufficiency and the use of renewable energy. Within these projects are the following propositions. The energy efficiency project efforts focus mainly on adopting the latest building codes. These building codes are a set of rules that specify the standards for the construction of each building. There are also more than 11,000 solar water heaters that have been deployed to Puerto Rico, and a building code that requires mandatory solar water heating. According to information acquired by a few researchers, ocean energy and biomass have high resource potential and could serve as a baseload generation. Our proposition. Due to the fact that people tend to overlook things that affect our environment, we would like to create an organization to inform the people of Puerto Rico about environmental problems we are currently facing and how these problems do affect us as well. Aside from bringing awareness about the issue, we would also like to gather enough information as to be able to link the other countries that are currently working on this problem. Within this organization, we will do fundraisers to start obtaining money for the equipment needed in order to make this happen. Here are the references that we use for this PowerPoint presentation. We use some scholar references, including Maya West UPR documents. We use some researchers' information. We also have the American Security Project Organization. We use regular references, and we also put up the references for the pictures that we use in the PowerPoint presentation. To conclude with